My experience in legal technology goes back 10, 15 years, where myself and a fellow lawyer, in total naivety of course, created some software. It was a learning management platform, and was directed to lawyers, on which we would load the courses and people would study these courses. In fact, till today, I still do my CPD points with VinciWorks. Thankfully, we've expanded a long way since then. And we now, I think, without fear of contradiction, probably 4 or 5 in the world in terms of compliance technology. So we've expanded way beyond lawyers. And indeed, the Magic Circle still use and supply all of our content for AML and lawyers compliance. But we act for international accounting firms. We act for a number of big corporations. So all to do with compliance. So that's my kind of legal technology foray. Then a few years ago, I created OEM, which was a custom-made platform for office management. And it took 9 months or so to do. It worked quite well, actually. But then, of course, it becomes obvious that you need constant R&D to update it, etc. And like a lot of things, it's your interface with other technology that becomes a problem by itself. And so you really need something one size fits all. And it never does. I mean, we are with Clio at the moment, and it's probably best in class, and I don't act for them. Probably best in class, but this whole legal technology industry, it used to be that there was nothing for lawyers. Now the problem is there's too much. And now it's not what technology to use, but how to get your lawyers to actually use it. It's the psychological factor, which is the big one. You know, are you going to stop them using handwritten timekeeping, etc., and get them online? Anyway, so that was basically where I started, legal technology. And no, the answer is no, I can't program. Never have been able to, would be lost if faced with such. I don't know how legal technology will change the way that firms operate, except that I know it will, in all aspects, whether it's from your research, at the moment you've got LexisNexis, etc., Westlaw, but you will have a time when the computer is an essential. In fact, in America at the moment, it is compulsory to have technology learning education every year, just as we have CPDs. So it's going to affect the way we do it, whether it's collecting evidence, whether the way we manage our office, whether it's in jury selection in the States. It's a big thing now about technology affecting it. So it will affect. It means that we will do more with less, and by less, probably less people and differently qualified people. So it will affect the way we do things, but I don't think there's many industries who can say with any certainty where technology is eventually going to lead them. But there's no industry that doesn't believe that sooner or later technology is going to be a major part of their moving forward and growing.